Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and this is my installment of Sample Sunday. I hope to get this up by midnight tonight so that it's actually on Sunday, but I do have company coming over, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. So what I've been doing is keeping my samples in this box in my bedroom. It's been like a fixture, like on a shelf for a while, and it would have just stayed there anyway. So this stuff, I didn't try it all. Now, there is a good reason. First off, this is shampoo and conditioner. I had another shampoo and conditioner in this box, and this is only a week-long project, and I only wash my hair maybe once every 7 to 10 days. So I'm going to just carry this over. So it's just going to be an extra item in my Sample Sunday. I did use this Belif cream. This is very watery. It's the water balm, and I am realizing that I don't love this that much. But anyway, I did finish this little packet. Okay, I used this Touche Eclat makeup primer. You can see that it's down a little bit. I'd like to use it up, but we'll move it into a use up somewhere at some point. It just feels exactly like the Smashbox silicone type primer. I wanted to make sure to let you guys know it's just like a lighter version of the Smashbox, you know, or any primer that is silicone-y. I didn't dislike it, but I didn't love it. I don't see what the big hype is. Some people get this and they're like, oh my god, you know, they get like all wired and, you know, this is wonderful, so and so. It's not that wonderful. It's okay. And for something to just be okay is not a great thing. Okay, I did not use the hairspray. I don't use hairspray. So I'm just going to take this out and not worry about it. I don't know. I feel like I need to carry some things over. Since I'm carrying the shampoo, I will carry over the hairspray. How's that sound? And I also have this Amika. By the way, the names of everything are going to be down below. This Amika hair stuff. This is pretty nice stuff. I know I really like this brand, so I definitely want to give this a try. I just don't know why, you know, I don't know why I didn't reach for it at all. Okay, I did try this cleanser. I remember saying I had another one, and I do have another one. I have this one and this one. So this one feels like more empty because I used it quite a bit, and this one of course doesn't. So I'm just trying to use both of these up because I would consider buying the cleanser. This was really nice. It was like a nice gel cleanser without stripping my skin. So it was definitely very nice. Okay, I have other things in here in this bag, and I did write myself some notes. First off, this Nicole Richie cologne, I didn't like it at all. As you can see, there's like literally a drop left. It's very strong cologne. Now, it could be because it sat around in my sample caddy for so long, but I don't think so. I think it's just a really strong cologne. I really don't like it at all. Okay, so the shampoo and conditioner from Nature Lab, you just can't get that last spot of conditioner out, but you know, I used both of these up and I really like this. Like, it made my hair feel super soft. If I found out that this was cruelty-free and didn't have anything in it that would mess with the curly hair, because I'm going to start doing the curly girl thing as soon as I use up my vast storehouse of stuff. And that means that you have to avoid silicones and some other types of things that weigh your hair down. But in any case, I really like this. I really, really like this. So I would definitely, and it says it's cruelty free on the back. It has PETA bunny on it. I'm not sure that that's really accurate or not. If it sells in China, then it's not cruelty free. It smelled good. It made my hair soft. It was awesome. Okay, and something else that helped me quite a bit with my waves was this marula oil. Is it marula oil? Moroccan oil. Yeah, this, I'm going to put this out. I'm going to put this, I have like a basket on my dresser. I'm going to put it there because this, I stroked it through my hair when it was wet, and then I did like a little bit of this, and I didn't use a lot of styling products, and this stuff was awesome, like just awesome. So that's a winner. This, however, is a loser, and I'm so upset about it. I might try it one more time. I do have 2 of these, as you can see. I don't know. It went on really creamy and was like, felt like, you know, like the awesomeness. And I really enjoyed it until water hit it, and then this menthol feeling happened. Now, I have a couple pimples that are not from anything that I can think of, anything new. But maybe this will help me with those. I don't know. But I'm going to try it one more time, and then if I don't like it, I'm going to give it to my daughter to give to her friend who has oilier skin. And finally, the last thing that I had to be tested was this Belif Aqua Balm with aloe vera. I don't notice much of a difference other than the color. It still just feels like the gel cream. I like it enough, but I don't love it. So yeah, I might give this away. Okay, I did pick off screen rather than, I have like a lot of stuff to do today. Happy Mother's Day, everyone who that applies to, grandmas, dads, you know, who act as mom, anybody who mothers somebody, you know, happy Mother's Day. But anyway, I did pick out a few things that I think will be really good to use, especially, you know, the First Aid facial radiance pads. Now, for some reason, that, I guess because it's a travel size, it did land in my travel size and sample bin, so I don't know what the condition of these is. Yeah, they're actually not even opened yet. So, yeah, I do hope to enjoy this. This is Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. I heard First Aid Beauty is not cruelty-free anymore. What the hell? You know, it's like you turn around one day and all of a sudden nothing's cruelty-free anymore. Okay, the next thing I have in here is a sleeping mask by Glow Recipe. I haven't opened this, so I don't know what the condition is. It looks fine. It's got like a little plastic disc on it. This is the kind of thing that is small enough that I could probably finish this. I'm not sure whether it be a week or, you know, over the course of like 10 days, but I do like sleeping masks. Okay, another thing that I picked up out of my sample bin, and I pulled the other one out, is this Arcona Gommage. Now, this is a good brand. It sells at Derm Store, which is definitely a store that I enjoy. There's not a lot in each of these tubes, so I think a gommage is some like kind of scrub or something, but I'll look at the directions. I did pull both of them out just because I'm sure that, you know, they're probably not, I don't know, they're pretty full, I guess. They're probably not something that's going to last a long time. Okay, and there's something here that I've been dying to try and I didn't even realize that I had it, and that is Zero Cleansing Balm. I could have put this in one of my projects, but it's very tiny and I think it's only going to have a couple uses in it. Yeah, and it's definitely cleansing balm. So I do look forward to giving this a try, because this is something that I would buy if I really liked it, although I'm totally addicted to the Pharmacy Green Clean, and I have a Purito cleansing oil that I absolutely, beyond a shadow of doubt, love beyond anything. But yeah, I love cleansing balm, so this is definitely something I would consider buying if I like it. Okay, another thing I found was a lotion by Jergens, Body Butter Collection. It's a little size. I don't know that I'll be able to finish this during the 7 days that I have to work through stuff, because I have a couple body lotions came up in my picks, and I figured, you know what, 'tis the season to hurry up and use your body lotion. So I kept this in because even though this will be the third body cream, I kept this in just because I like it. I always loved Jergens, but it's not cruelty free, so I really am looking forward to enjoying that. Okay, next is, I said it, body cream, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. What is all the goddamn fuss about? Seriously. I rubbed it on my arm, I smelled it, and I'm like, yeah, it smells nice, but people on the internet, particularly beauty influencers who probably got theirs for free, are harking this stuff like, you've got to get this, you've got to buy this. I'm telling you, my philosophy on YouTube is to tell you guys not to spend your money. As you can see, I already have a ton of stuff, so every time I'm tempted to buy something like this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, you know, I'm going to try this sample, but honestly, I don't know what all the fuss is about. Seriously, what is all the fuss about? It doesn't smell that, it smells good, but it doesn't smell like revolutionary good. Like, it's not like, whoa, you gotta use that. Okay, so I also have another cream, and this is Curel Dry Skin Therapy. My arms have been like super dry. I've reached an age where if I bump into a door jamb, I get a skin tear. Like, I remember taking care of people in the hospital whose skin was delicate like that, and all of a sudden mine is getting really delicate like that. So anyway, my arms always feel dry, so I will be definitely using this. I'm hoping to figure out a way to increase the elasticity of my arm skin so that when I bump into a door jamb, which I frequently do, I will not tear my skin. Alright, so those are the three creams that I had for body, and now I have 3 face creams. Now this one is Dr. Jart Cicapair, and if I put on my glasses and find that this is expired, I'll replace it. This is old. This is really old. Actually, I should open it and see. Yeah, it smells fine. It looks fine. I probably will not use this on my face, but I'll probably use it on my chest and my maybe my hands and my arms, because it's not that much in here. It's literally like a hollow bottomed jar, but I did want to try this. Not that I'll ever be able to buy it because it's not cruelty free. Okay, and something that everybody goes wild over, and I'm pretty sure this is probably a very good brand, and this is Dr. Lili Fan, and this is a face cream. Probiotic, nope, it's an eye cream. Oh, eye creams take forever to use, but in this project at least, it's just a matter of just trying things. I hate to open stuff though and then have it sit, so we'll try to finish this up after. Let's see, how full is this? Oh, It's not full at all. Half of it's in the cap, as you can see, and the other half, because of the way it was laying in my bin, is over to the side. This, yeah, I might actually be able to finish this eye cream. It still smells good and looks and strokes like I put my finger in it a little bit, and it still strokes okay. So I have one more thing, and it's a face cream, and it is the Kale and Spinach by Youth to the People. I had a tiny one. I had to put it in my declutter bin because it had separated, but this one is still good, and this one is almost the same age. Like, it might be a little bit younger than that one, but I just want to make sure to use it up before it goes bad. I hear a lot of good things about this moisturizer. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it, but, you know, we'll wait and see. So that is a good number of products. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really do help me. I'm actually entering the A to Z Project Pan, and that's the next video that I'll be filming. So you guys, you'll all see me in the same orange t-shirt. I try to tape more than one video on a weekend because that's when my largest amount of free time is. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.